everybody. It's Mrs. Cannon in the art room at Liverpool Elementary School, and this is a practice video for the song Donut Factory for flute. The flute players at LE requested this today, so I thought I would give this a try right now. So we are going to actually start out at measure 9 because you guys rest for the first 8 measures while the trombones play their fancy part. So let's set it up. I'm going to be a little faster than that. I'm going to set it around 103. Okay, but you can practice right along with me. Let's try the part between 9 and 15. Here we go. We rest on count 1, so be ready for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. We're kind of the opposite of the trombone part there. And notice how there's some little dots over the notes. That's called staccato, and that means we're going to play it a little bit faster. Let's go on at 17. I'm going to stop before 25 because I want to show you that part on its own. Here's 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you see that over the top of a note, it's called an accent, and that means to tongue it a little bit harder than you usually would. All right, this next part here, we have these very cool eighth notes, and this is a flute feature. We're going to rest on count 1 and then play 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Take a listen. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't that cute? And then the clarinets and saxes do that right afterwards for you. All right, I'm going to keep going at 33. I'm going to do the rest of it. I'm going to count the rests. Let's try 33 to the end together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, ready, go. I hope that was fun for you. This is definitely the song of F. We play F a lot in this song. So dots mean staccato, play it short. Accents mean tongue it a little bit harder. That might make you squeak like it made me squeak in 48. And just have fun practicing this one. It's going to be a really cool song altogether. Have a great day.